Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we're making this beautiful raspberry and marula facial serum. Oil-based facial serums are pretty much the first thing that I fell in love with when I started making DIY projects. They're really easy to make, and some of the first oils that I fell in love with, like argan oil, are really well suited to serums, partially because they're excellent for your skin and partially because they're a bit on the more expensive side, so you're sort of more inclined to use them on, say, your face, where they'll, really do some good and work their magic and really be appreciated, as opposed to, say, on your feet. I've chosen 3 beautiful oils for this serum. So the majority of it is olive squalane, and olive squalane is really lovely. It is lightweight, beautifully emollient, and has a really long shelf life. It's a great base for a serum. It's also pretty inexpensive and well tolerated by many skin types. It's a very, very nice oil. Our next oil is raspberry seed oil, which is another beautiful, lightweight, silky oil. So this serum just feels amazing on the skin. So raspberry seed oil is rich in tocopherols and omega-3s, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. Now, you may read some places on the internet that raspberry seed oil has natural SPF. And for more details on this, I'd encourage you to click through to the blog post to read more. I've got links to some studies on this so you can learn more. But the general gist of it is that relying on plant-based oils for SPF is kind of like relying on the lottery to fund your retirement. If it pans out, that's great, but I certainly wouldn't actually count on it in any meaningful way because it's very, very unlikely to work out well for you. Our last oil is marula oil, which comes from the nut of the marula tree, which is from Africa. And so it's rich in antioxidants and vitamins C and E, and is just really lovely for the skin. It's another quite lightweight, beautiful oil. And so when we blend these 3 oils together, we have a gorgeous, lightweight, fast-absorbing, emollient facial oil that's rich in vitamins and antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which is pretty cool. I put mine in a little pump top bottle, as you'll see, and I find 1 to 2 pumps is all I need in the morning and in the evening, and I do that after I put on sort of any other water-based serums, and it's just lovely. It leaves my skin all dewy and happy. So come on, let's go make this serum. It's really easy. All right, this could hardly be easier to make. So we're going to start with 14.88 grams of squalane, 5 grams of raspberry seed oil, 5 grams of marula oil, and 0.125 grams of vitamin E oil. Once that's done, we'll give it a stir to combine, and we'll transfer it to our container. So this here is a 1 ounce plastic bottle from Voyager Soap and Candle, and it's got a pump top, which I thought would be useful for dispensing this. And all that's left now is to put our lid on, and we're done. So there you go. You just made a lovely raspberry marula serum. Pump some of that out there, get the pump primed. There we go. So you can see 1 drop goes a really long way. And once it really sinks in and has been well distributed, it's not greasy, but does leave a bit of a healthy glow. So there you go. Don't forget to check out the blog where I've got the full recipe written out with all the amounts written out in percents as well, so you can scale it, and links to all of the ingredients and all of the equipment I used. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.